Welcome to Organizing with Ease, where we simplify and organize our lives for the better. I'm Deanna Mall, your host, here to guide you towards a more organized and enriching life. Together, let's explore practical strategies, inspiring stories, and expert advice to simplify every aspect of our lives. Are you ready to embark on this journey with ease? Let's start. Attention listeners, be ready. This Black Friday, I am thrilled to present our Ultimate Organizing Bundle at an unbeatable price for just $7. You heard me right, which is a 67% discount off of the regular $21 value. You'll receive, you ready? Number 1, step-by-step Paper Bliss Guide. This is to transform your home office into a productivity haven with actionable decluttering strategies. This guide provides steps on how to learn practical methods to organize your papers and reduce the clutter. Not only that, but it to also help implement systems to maintain a clutter-free workspace. Why it benefits you? Well, a well-organized workspace reduces stress and increases efficiency, allowing you to focus on tasks that matter the most. In addition, you'll receive the In the Know Note Cards ebook, equipped middle school and high school students with essential life skills through 20 insightful note cards covering study habits, financial literacy, household responsibilities, personal safety. Each note card offers practical tips and motivational quotes to inspire daily growth. Why it benefits your family? Well, empowering your children with these skills fosters independence and prepares them for the real world challenges. Lastly, 2025 Journal Calendar Planner is included. Plan your year with intention using structured layouts, goal-setting pages, and inspirational prompts to keep you organized and motivated. This planner includes monthly and weekly layouts so that you can organize your schedule efficiently. Goal-setting pages define and track your personal and professional objectives. Also, which I so love to also insert, are inspirational prompts to keep you motivated throughout the year. So, why does it benefit you? Setting clear goals and tracking progress keeps you aligned with your aspirations, leading to a more fulfilling and productive year. This comprehensive package addresses both personal and professional organization needs, making it an invaluable resource for individuals and families alike. By investing in this bundle, you're equipping yourself and your loved ones with tools to enhance productivity, develop essential life skills, and plan for a successful year ahead. So don't miss out. Grab your Ultimate Organizing Bundle today and take the first step toward a more organized tomorrow. The link to purchase is in the show notes. Hello, my friend, and welcome back to Organizing with Ease, where we simplify your life one step at a time. I'm your host, Deanna Mall, and today is a very special episode. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone! If this is your first time tuning in, I am so pleased to have you join me today. Today, it's all about gratitude, family, and enjoying the present moment. And I wanted to take a few minutes to share how grateful I am for each and every one of you. This community has grown so much this year, and being able to help you get organized and live more stress-free lives has been such a gift to me. From all the emails, messages, and the success stories that you've shared with me, I am reminded of just how powerful small intentional steps can be. So, as we celebrate today, I'm going to keep this episode very short and sweet. I'll share a few simple tips to help you stay organized during the rest of the holiday weekend and give you a sneak peek of what's coming up next week as we launch our brand new December series, Season of Ease, Simplifying the Holidays and Prepping for 2025. Cannot believe it. Thanksgiving is such a wonderful time to pause and reflect on the things that we're so most grateful for. I've been thinking a lot about how powerful it is to take even a few minutes and a few moments to slow down and appreciate the things we have, our family, our health, the simple joys of life. Gratitude turns what we have into enough. I find that being organized isn't just about clearing physical space, it's about making mental space for what matters most. When we have clear the clutter from our homes, we can also create more room for connection, relaxation, and gratitude. So as you enjoy this special day, take a moment to appreciate the space you've created, both physically and mentally. So here are a couple of simple tips for staying organized during the holiday weekend. You know I could not have resisted, but I just have to. A little simple tips. As Thanksgiving weekend continues, again, a few quick and simple organizing tips to help you stay on top of things without feeling overwhelmed. Number one, let's try to declutter as you go. Whether it's cleaning up after that big meal or tidying up the living room after your guests leave, small, frequent cleanups will save you time and energy. So don't let things pile up. Tackle a little bit at a time. Number two, try to prep for next week. Yes, if you have downtime during the holiday weekend, take a few minutes to organize your to do list for the upcoming week. This is especially helpful as we transition into a new month, into the holiday season. A little planning now can save you a lot of stress later. Create, as we talked about in episode 132, a gratitude space. Take a moment to reflect on what you're thankful for, whether it's journaling or setting up that gratitude jar where you and your family can add notes of thanks. These are just small practices that can make your space and your mindset feel a more peaceful and positive. Remember, the key is to keep it simple. Thanksgiving is about enjoying the moment. So don't stress about getting everything perfect. So before we wrap up today's episode, I'm so excited to announce that next week we'll be kicking off our brand new December series. This series is going to be all about keeping you organized through the rest of 2024 and into the new year. We'll be diving into topics like wrapping up the year with intention, organizing for holiday celebrations, and setting yourself up for success in 2025. Here's a Thanksgiving quote to inspire you as we move into the next season. Gratitude is not only the greatest of virtues, but it's the parent of all others. We all know how busy the holiday season can be, but staying organized helps us make the most of our time and enjoy what really matters, being present with our loved ones. So stay tuned for next week's episode as we'll be kicking off December with practical, actionable tips to keep your home and your mind clear as we end 2024 on a high note. Thank you again for tuning in to this special Thanksgiving episode of Organizing with Ease. I hope today is filled with love, peace, and gratitude for you and your family. Remember, as we head into December, remember to take things one step at a time, stay present, and don't be afraid to let go of the little things that don't serve you. I am so thankful to have you as part of my community, and I can't wait to share more with you in the upcoming December series. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Until next week, I will be talking again about staying organized during the busy holiday season with practical tips for balancing family and time, celebration, and self-care. Happy Thanksgiving to you and your families. Until next week. Hey there, listeners. I've got some incredible news. You ready? Doors are officially open for the live 3-day decluttering and organizing your 2025 Get It Done, Let's GID It bootcamp. Have you ever wondered how much lighter you would feel if your home was organized? What would it mean to start my mornings without stress and chaos? How would it feel to wake up on January the 1st knowing my space is set up for success in the new year? This bootcamp is your chance to find out. Starting on December the 26th through December the 28th at 1 p.m. Eastern Time, I'll guide you through 3 transformative sessions that will help you reclaim your home and your peace of mind. On day 1, we'll simplify your kitchen, the heart of your home, to make daily routines easier. On day 2, we're going to transform your bedroom into a calm and restful retreat. And day 3, we're going to organize your closet so you can start your mornings stress-free. What's even better is you're going to get even bonus checklists to bring order to your home office and playroom, extending the transformation to every corner of your home. So join live for a chance to win fun daily giveaways. You ready? I'm so excited to include a Rocketbook flip or a 25 gift card. Because getting organized should also be fun. And if you schedule getting busy during the holidays, don't worry. Replays are available only if you register. So for 60 minutes a day, you'll gain the tools and strategies to not only declutter, but to maintain your space and systems for the long term. Together, we'll answer the big question: how do I keep this up? Dates again are December the 26th through the 28th at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. This isn't just about tidying up, it's about creating a home that works for you, supports your goals, and helps you step into 2025 with clarity, calm, and confidence. Now ask yourself, how would it feel to finally get it done? What would change for you if your home became a place of peace and not stress? Let's make it happen together. You ready? Click the link in the show notes to register now. Doors will close at midnight on December the 20th. And join me for this transformative bootcamp. I can't wait to see you there. Let's get it done. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to subscribe to Organizing with Ease podcast on your favorite podcast platform and leave us a review. Your feedback helps us grow and reach more listeners like you who are passionate about living their best lives. And remember, a new episode comes out every Thursday at 8 a.m. So mark your calendar and join us. Until next week, take care and keep shining bright.